Sizwe, why is Lerato sending you TikTok now 10 ebusuku Sizwe? Baby.
Storytelling has just gotten easier with Gemini and CapCut. Let me show you how I created this clip using Gemini and CapCut. Creating images, you can use any of these AI tools to create your images. I used Gemini and it created beautiful images for me using Pixar illustrated 3D images. Once you've created your images, you're going to download them and then head over to CapCut. And with your new project, you head over to AI Media, and we want to create AI video, but we want the AI dialogue scene. This is also available on your phone. If you go to AI tools and you select AI dialogue scenes, then you'll be able to make them talk and sing and react. So it wants you to upload a character. So we want a dialogue. Therefore, we're going to select character photos and we're going to head over to the couple and add their image there. So let's start with them fighting over there. And then the tool starts detecting the two characters on your photo. It will place them under the all or 1 and 2. So depending on where you want to place the audio. I want the audio to start with this young lady. Therefore, I'm going to select the young lady. And then I can enter what I want her to say. Choose a character of a voice if I want to use the AI voices there. So you can write what you want the character to say and then go and pick any of these voices. Of course, you can click and listen to them and then select OK in order for you to choose that voice that you want to use. Or you could go ahead and add your own audio and then describe the scene. So I have recorded my own audio. Then I'm going to go and find my audio and use that. So we're going to use the first one where she is
Sizwe.
Yes. I'm going to select the audio and click open.
Sizwe, why is Lerato sending you TikTok now 10 ebusuku Sizwe?
And then I click on save. And then the audio is added. The character is selected. And then I can describe what the character should be doing. Okay, so then you do need a paid version of this in order for you to use it. It will tell you estimated credits that are going to be used, and then you can click on generate. And then it asks you for a permission. You say okay. You will see that it will give you a warning of the credits that are going to be consumed with this order that you're creating, and then you click apply. And then it will start applying the feature there. You can go ahead and make a cup of coffee because it does take a little bit of a while for it to generate the audio, but you generate the audio one by one. You don't do all of the audio at the same time. And then it will load it over there. It shows you the percentage of how long it is applying. So that's the feature that's being applied. It's 33%, and then you just wait until it's applied. And create it, and let's see how it looks like.
Sizwe, why is Lerato sending you TikTok now 10 ebusuku Sizwe?
Oh wow, okay, that I did not expect it to be Sizwe. So this is how you then create. So if you want Sizwe to now respond, we can click on Sizwe, take off the audio for her, and then go and find Sizwe's audio, same principle, and edit.
Baby.
And then we select it and we click open. Same scenario, we save. And then this is going to cost us 30 credits. And then we click generate. Let's just say, and we've selected Sizwe and we click generate. Again, it's going to apply the feature. It's going to start creating the dialogue between the two. And then we wait It's at 30%. We just wait until it generates again. The beginning of the clip is here, then the second part is here, and you carry on if you want them to continue having the dialogue, which you've probably seen at the beginning of the video. Then you will continue doing this until the end of your scenes. Change the scene. I want them to be on the balcony, so I'm gonna remove the other image that we had and add a new image. Same principle. I'm just going to select the character and then add the audio where she's throwing the stuff over the balcony because she's upset. And yes, and then you select the audio, you click on save like we did, and then you describe the scene, and then you click on generate. Video, you can just add your introduction using Canva to create this, and then you just tie it all together with music and sound from your CapCut, and that's it. I'm happy to show you the whole clip so that you see how it turned out. If you enjoy content like this, you have to go and learn and watch this video that's going to teach you how to create AI videos using Google VEO.
Sizwe, why is Lerato sending you TikTok now 10 ebusuku Sizwe? Baby. Uzongithola kahle. Ngiyazilahla, uzongithola kahle. Izinto zami uzongithola kahle.
We have an manje when I understand, man. Ish, I understand, babe.